You were told to save money from your first allowance, from your first paycheck. Save for emergencies. Save for retirement. Save, save, save. But if saving money made people rich, the world would look very different. Because most people who save their entire lives still end up broke. Saving money feels responsible. It feels safe. It feels mature. And that's exactly why the system loves it. Because saving money doesn't threaten the system. It feeds it. You were taught that saving is the goal. It's not. Saving is only what happens when you don't know what comes next. Here's what actually happens when you save. You take your labor, your time, your life, and you hand it to a bank. The bank pays you almost nothing in return, while quietly lending your money out, earning far more than you ever will. Your savings don't grow. They erode, slowly, silently, predictably. There's a force you never see, but you feel it every year. Inflation. It doesn't steal loudly. It doesn't announce itself. It just makes everything cost more, while your savings stay the same. If inflation is 3% and your savings earn 1%, you are losing money every year. Not risking money. Losing it. Meet Maria. Maria did everything right. She skipped vacations, drove the same car for years, kept her money in savings. After a decade, she felt proud. She had discipline. But when life happened, medical bills, a job loss, a family emergency, her savings disappeared in months. Not because she failed, but because saving was never designed to protect her. Saving money feels safe because it reduces anxiety. It gives you the illusion of control. But the system exploits that fear. Because when fear is your strategy, you don't build engines. You build cushions. Cushions don't move you forward. They only soften the fall. Ask yourself this. If prices double over the next 10 years, what happens to your savings? If your job disappears, how long does that safety net really last? Saving doesn't scale with reality. It delays the problem, but it never solves it. This is the moment most people misunderstand. Saving money isn't bad. It's just incomplete. Saving is a pause, not a plan. And when pausing is your entire strategy, you slowly fall behind. Here's what works instead. First, liquidity. You still need some cash. Not for wealth, for survival. That's your buffer, not your future. Second, growth. Money that compounds faster than inflation. Assets that expand while you sleep. Third, cash flow. Systems that bring money in without demanding your time every hour. This is the difference. Savers protect money. Builders deploy it. The system tells you to hoard money, then punishes you for doing it. It rewards movement, ownership, structure. That's why the wealthy don't brag about savings accounts. They build systems. The goal was never to save forever. The goal was to escape dependence. Saving is the first step, but staying there is the mistake. The moment your money starts working harder than you do, everything changes. You stop fearing missed paychecks. You stop chasing raises. You stop running. Saving money keeps you still. Debt keeps you controlled. And the next video shows how both are connected. Because once you understand the credit score game, you'll see how banks quietly train your behavior from the moment you're young. Watch next, the credit score game. How banks train you. If this challenged something you believed, leave a comment and subscribe. We're just getting started.